Hello everybody, welcome to today's live interactive walkthrough. This is an opportunity for you to walk through these beautiful available homes with me at the luxury of your phone, live. Also, this gives you a chance to ask as many questions as you like throughout this property. This property was a special request to one of my clients, so I hope you're tuning in and checking it out. If not, you can definitely check it out at a later time. But you could also let us know what you think of the property. We have a very special home to show you, included with a beautiful theater system. I cannot wait to actually show you guys this big home. My name is John Moses with Realtor Group and Integrity Real Estate Group. You're a trusted realtor within San Antonio and surrounding cities, and I'm excited to show you this property. I do have my awesome business partner, Ethan Espinosa.
Yeah.
He's going to be giving us the details on this property, okay? All right, Ethan, what is this property listed for? What's the price that it's listed for?
It's 400,000. No, it's 400,000.
Okay, $460,000, guys. That's all right. You're doing good. You're doing good. Okay, how many bedrooms are in the property?
Actually,
5 bedrooms. It's a huge property. How many beds? I'm sorry, bathrooms.
4.
4 bathrooms. Great. So this is a big property, guys. Square footage?
3,600.
A lot. Over 3,600 square footage. So we have a lot to cover. 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. Let's get this started. Before we get started, actually, I do want you to take a look at the neighborhood. We're out here in Alamo Ranch area. Once again, I apologize for my microphone. We're getting it working. It's almost there. So if you can't hear me, it's gonna be better next week, I promise. But take a look at the neighborhood. The architecture or the builder who actually established this neighborhood is beautiful, really well done neighborhood. Closer to 1604 as well. Alamo Ranch area is booming up, guys. Let's go take a look inside. Actually, before we get started, the owners are still occupying this property. So for their safety and our safety, and out of the courtesy across the board, we already actually sanitized all of our hands and whatnot, but we are going to be wearing a mask for this walkthrough. So if y'all can't hear me, let me know and we'll talk a little bit louder. Ethan, put your mask on, man. And our beautiful camera lady has a mask on too.
They're asking where's this home at?
This home is over here off of Alamo Ranch area, towards closer to Ethan, let me see the address on there. Let me give you the exact address. It's actually going to be on the comments, but it's 12806 Sabinal River, over here in Alamo Ranch area. That's the subdivision we're in.
And this house was built in 2015.
Ethan just said the house was built in 2015, so it's fairly new. Right after that, you do have you're welcome to a nice little entrance. You can come out here, enjoy some coffee. Or hot cocoa.
You want hot cocoa in this 100-degree weather?
Thank you everybody for tuning in so far. Appreciate you guys. You do have your guest living area. This is actually very nice because if you have just people that are coming over, hanging out, you don't have to actually invite them into your personal living space right away. You can come over here and hang out, drink some coffee, have a nice conversation. We do have your first bath over here, and also your additional bedroom right there.
Yes, that it is in San Antonio.
San Antonio, Texas, correct. This is a wonderful layout because you have your guest bath and restroom is actually going to be here in the very front. So this property is actually really awesome for entertainment, as you'll see here in a little bit. You end up having some people that stay over, they can stay in this guest room. It's really nice.
It is a very beautiful home, Anel.
Thank you for tuning in. We do have some extra closet space. We kind of moved it back a bit. If you don't mind taking a quick step back, your entry, you actually have a nice cathedral setup. The cathedral setup just means you have a view to the top, which is such a really, really nice touch to the property. We'll go upstairs here in just a few, but as you can tell, we do have your steel lining as well. And what a beautiful kitchen and living room space. Huge counter area, gas stove, stainless steel appliances. You have your tall cabinetry, double-decker stove, And right over here, you do have a mudroom. That's not it. Right here. We are not going to be able to see the garage because they have their wonderful fur babies in there. But here is your laundry area. Enough space, extra room here, and cabinetry on the top, including some rack space as well. This one has a sauna in the back. It's a jacuzzi, which this one has a jacuzzi, not a swimming pool, but we're going to take a closer look at that. It's beautiful. Real quickly here, you do have a desk area. This is actually perfect for your kiddos. It's a 5-bedroom, so I'm sure a family can definitely take part in this. You can have your homework time right before your dinner time. And you have your dining area right here. And let's go take a look at that pool you were talking about.
Sauna.
Pool, sauna, water space. So, I don't know about you guys, but I am all about view. And this, you are actually on the top of the hill with this property. As you can see all the top of the roof, but can you imagine the sunrise, sunset of this property? And then further over there, you have beautiful view of the hill. You have your covered patio. And then you also have your... My camera will play on that. And then you also have your hot tub right here. So this is really cool because they actually have it set up where they have a TV mounted up here. So if you can imagine hanging out over here, watching some TV, drinking some wine with your buddies, some beer, it's really entertaining. Over there as well, you do have a fireplace. And as many of you guys know, I am a sucker for fire. Call me a pyromaniac. I love it. This is something that I just adore this setup. All right, let's take a look inside. Let's go upstairs and we'll be good. What do you think, Ethan? You like that swimming setup? Well, because you can swim in there a little bit. All right, come on over here. Here we go into the master bedroom. A lot of space, as you can see. I'm hoping you can see the gap here. A lot of space. You do have your accented ceilings as well. You do have this octagon looking accented walls, so you can hang out, have some tables here as well, and have your private space. This is a huge bed and it fits it with a lot more extra room. Dual vanity setup, his and hers. A little space in the middle for all your needs. You do have your tub with your stand-in shower as well, and your private commode. And you do have a lot of space for the closet area, including a built-in shoe rack area. Come on over. We are moving kind of fast, guys, too. There is another viewing after this, so we want to give them respect and some time to view it. Also, it's a lot of space, so I want to cover it and not make the video 20 hours long. We have some extra storage space here as well. Going upstairs. All right, right away, you are welcome into a huge living area. You can multi-purpose room. You can have it as a game room. You can have it for your kids up here to be hanging out with their adults or downstairs if you like.
That view.
And that view is just stunning. Absolutely stunning view. This is my favorite thing ever. I'm a sucker for views, and this is just absolutely great. Now for some additional entertainment, you definitely don't even need a TV here because you do have a theater room you can take advantage of. Check this out. Enough space for, they have it laid out very well with the projector opportunity. This is awesome. I'm a huge entertainer. Ethan and his buddies can be hanging out here. Great, great opportunity. Come on over here to the next bedrooms. We have our additional full bath here. You have your little one's room here, but it's still very spacious with a lot of closet space. And then your two other rooms from side to side. Very spacious living areas for 2015 property. Everybody knows that the new builds have a little bit smaller rooms, but these are actually a really, really good size. What do you think? You think this is a good size room?
Yeah.
Right. Restroom.
So Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill setup. Right over here is another part of the restroom. And you have your final room over here. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and walk down to the kitchen. If anybody has any questions throughout this walkthrough, we're doing this rather quickly. Once again, I apologize. We're just trying to meet a good deadline for the people trying to view the property. So take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Right over here. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Appreciate you guys checking out this property with us. Apologize, we kind of went through that one a little bit quickly. We just wanted to make sure we got the whole house. This is an absolutely huge property. It just became available recently, so if you do want to take a closer look at this, if you do have a large family and want to take a closer look and get these doors open, definitely feel free to give me a call at 210-601-0204. John Moses with Premier Realty Group and Integrity Real Estate Group as well. Thank you, Ethan, for giving us the information. Guys, he is my partner in crime and my lady for recording. She's awesome as well. We try to bring these videos out to you every Thursday, but if you have a special request on our property and you want to stay home because of everything going on, just send me the information and I'll go record a video for you guys. Thank you very much once again to old friends and new.